Have a CPX presentation file from Corel Presentations and need to view or edit it? These Exchange files share presentations between Corel applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Corel Presentation Exchange files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical CPX data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. Users encounter .cpx files when receiving presentations from colleagues using Corel WordPerfect Office. Their primary goal is to view the slideshow, often without having the original software. They need to find a compatible viewer or convert it to a more common format, like Microsoft PowerPoint's PPTX. The .cpx format is a proprietary binary container designed by Corel to encapsulate all presentation elements, including slides, text, images, and transition effects. This self-contained structure ensures that the presentation's fidelity is maintained when shared between users of the Corel Presentations application, preventing missing assets or formatting errors. The initial software setup links the CPX file directly to Corel Presentations by Corel Corporation. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows shows only a basic representation, so accurate editing must happen in a presentation app. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the CPX file and click Open With. Test Corel Presentations first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. If your CPX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, opening in Corel Presentations. Install Corel WordPerfect Office, which includes Corel Presentations. Launch Presentations and use File then Open to load the CPX file. The application displays the presentation with all slides and elements editable, enabling continued design modifications, presentation delivery, and export to other formats for sharing. Next, converting to PowerPoint. Within Corel Presentations, export CPX files to PowerPoint format, using File then Save As and selecting PowerPoint format. The exported PPT or PPTX file opens in Microsoft PowerPoint, with most content preserved, though some Corel-specific features may need manual recreation in PowerPoint's editing environment. Finally, using LibreOffice Impress. Try opening CPX files in LibreOffice Impress, which supports various presentation formats. While CPX is not natively supported, converting to a more common format, first like PowerPoint, enables Impress access. This provides a free alternative for working with Corel presentation content without purchasing WordPerfect Office. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.